Alright, so I'm going to do a demonstration for you folks on how a time delay on energization relay works. These are old pneumatic relays, and the way they used to achieve their time delay is, I'm just going to bring this up here. On the relay itself, you have your coil, which moves a set of contacts that are associated with these terminals up here, and then you'll see in the middle this little arm that moves. And what's going on is when this coil pulls in, it pushes against this little arm, and once the arm is able to move, it changes the second set of contacts. This little arm's pushing on a bellows, and we adjust how fast or how slow the delay works by changing this little valve right here. And that's just going to make a difference on how fast the air can get out of here, which is going to make a difference, which is going to cause this arm to be able to move faster or slower. So in this little demo here, we've got 220 volt lights coming off this circuit. Our control voltage over here is 208. So when we energize our relay, you'll see our one set of contacts changes immediately. After the delay, our second one changes, and then when we shut the relay off, they both go back to their normal state immediately. Really important to remember that if you've got a time delay on energization relay, that's the only time you have a delay, is when you energize the coil. One set of contacts changes immediately, then we have a delay for the second one. When you remove the power from the coil, they both go back to their normal state immediately. And the exact opposite is true with a time delay on de-energization relay. If you had a de-energizing timer, or however you want to refer to them, when you turn them on, both lights would come on, and then when you shut them off, one would shut off immediately, and then after a delay, the second one would come on. I'm just going to change this little valve. We've seen that other one a few times. I'm going to crank that back. And as we go, that took the delay almost to nothing. And this one will take the delay quite a bit longer. And it's all just by how fast we allow this diaphragm to move, and that's how we used to adjust the delay on those relays.